Hello, and welcome to Home Cleaning Pro Module 3. How to clean a bathroom. Our order for the bathroom will be high dusting, vanities, mirrors, sinks, countertops, cabinets, baseboards and trim, toilet, bathtub, shower, and trash. So let's get started. First, pick up the bathroom mats from off the floors and place them in the area directly outside of the bathroom doors. Bathroom mats should lie flat and neatly on the floors, not crumpled or thrown. Leave the side needing to be vacuumed facing upward. This will save some time when you come back to vacuum. Bathroom mats should never be placed on a bed, dresser, or crib. This is unsanitary. Bathroom mats should always be on the floor. Remember where and how the client's bathroom mats were placed so that you can put them back correctly when you are finished. Next, we'll dust the high areas. Extend the high duster and run it along the outline of the bathroom ceiling, where the ceiling meets the wall. We are always thinking high to low. Remember, our goal is to get all the dirt to the floor so we can vacuum and mop it up. Pay special attention to cobwebs, corners, and the line from the floor to the ceiling where the walls meet one another. Check the ceiling for cobwebs as well and turn the high duster brush flat towards the ceiling to brush them down. Always turn on the lights before cleaning. Next, we'll clean the vanities and mirrors. The vanities are the lights above the bathroom mirrors. Using the feather duster, firmly swipe every part of the vanities multiple times to remove the dust and cobwebs. Sometimes vanity lights are loose, so place the hand that you are not dusting with under the vanity light to catch it in case it falls. Sometimes dust will stick to the vanity lights. In this case, we'll spray our microfiber towel with all-purpose cleaner and wipe each vanity light until the dust is removed. Next, spray glass cleaner on the bathroom mirrors and use a dry microfiber towel to wipe them clean. You don't need a lot of glass